once we have a camera location set up in the Rhino interface, so you can see that if we go into our properties tab and then click on view, it's possible to rotate around just that camera. So basically what we're going to be doing here is keeping the camera in the same location and just rotating the target around that. So the first thing that we can do is there's a command called rotate camera. So it's saying click and drag in perspective viewport to rotate camera. So this is asking for a left click. It is not asking for right click. So if you right click, it's still going to move the camera normally as you would in Rhino. So what this is doing is where it's going to allow us to take a left click and we can pan around and get this object exactly in the location that we want. Notice after you let go of that left click, that command goes away. So in order to do it again, you would have to type that command or hit enter or space to redo it. An slightly easier way is you can just hold the control and alt key, and then if you right click as if you were normally panning around, that will, you can see on the right side of my screen, the camera stays exactly where it is and the target is the only thing that's moving. And then if you like where it is horizontally, you can also add shift to that. So this would be control alt and shift will only allow you to pan with your horizontal screen locked. So those are some ways to pan around your camera once you get it exactly located. So obviously if you want it at an exact Z location, you can go ahead and type, so if we're 5 3/4 feet off the ground, you can go ahead and type that into your Z location. I know I'm in inches right now, so if you were modeling this to be a human eye or something like that, you would want to make sure that you were at an actual appropriate height, but based on the object I have, this is the sort of heights that I'm using. You can also here change your lens length, so these are some things that we went over a little bit last semester. So you can change your lens length, so let's say we change to 30, so this will make it zoom out really far. Somewhere around 28 to 35 is going to be right around where your human eye sees. So those are good lens lengths to try instead of the default of 50.